Hey, so what is organic product count in Jungle Scout? In this video, you are going to discover the answer. And also in the description, you're going to find the best discounts for Jungle Scout and a playlist with over 100 Jungle Scout tutorials that show you how to use different parts of Jungle Scout. So organic product count, actually it's going to appear in your Keyword Scout tool inside Jungle Scout. So as you can see here, Keyword Scout is the tool for keyword research. If you type in any keyword, for example, I typed in kitchen shears here, and then you click on this little kind of circle here, you can add the product count organic. What does it mean? So actually it's going to appear here, as you can see. Total number of products returned on Amazon for this keyword. Basically the same here in the Jungle Scout database, organic product count, the total number of products Amazon returns when searching for this particular keyword. So it's kind of similar here on Amazon. As you can see, I typed in kitchen shears, and then it gives me different pages, different results. Now results might change. So if you go from page number 3 to number 1, sometimes it changes from it's 7,000 to 1,000 here, as you can see. Basically, the idea of this is how saturated kind of this keyword is with those types of products. So for kitchen shears, that was the kind of keyword I typed in, it gives 7,000 results. Now, does it mean that this is a saturated niche or not? It does mean that there's just many products in that niche, but it does not mean that only by this kind of parameter you should look into a keyword or a specific product. But in this way, you can actually find less saturated keywords. For example, if you do a search for kind of kitchen shears on Jungle Scout and you find the ones with the product organic count like it's small, not 7,000, but like 14, 32, 35, you can then see what types of products appear there. And you might also be able to find specific competitive keywords. So basically keywords that are not exactly competitive, better to say as keywords that belong to the brands that compete with you. So for example, if you have the brand here, let's say Joyce, Chen or Chen, Scissors Original, maybe it does not get as many kind of results here, but maybe it does have search volume. And in this way, you'll be able to rank there with your PPC, for example. You can try these keywords and see if you can still get the sales, because then organically, if you rank there, yeah, maybe there's not much traffic, but there's not much competition. So then you can technically take sales from that keyword. So that's product count organic in Jungle Scout. Now here on the screen, you're going to find playlist of Jungle Scout tutorials with over 100 tutorials, and the best discounts for Jungle Scout are also here on the screen and in the description. I hope it was useful. Let's talk in the comments if you have any questions. I wish you a great day. Thank you.